Hello friends, let's create beautiful drawing with Penup app.
Select your canvas. I am going to choose a color to fill the background. It's a light purple color. This is the color fill bucket. Fill the canvas in color like this. Click on the plus icon, add new layer. Now choose your drawing tool. I like this marker pen. Choose the color. Start drawing something you like, a simple flower like this. I am going to choose a different brush to add rose color shade to the flower. I will show you how to merge the layers. Click on the layer. Click Merge. Let's see how to make a copy of the flower. Now select this selection icon and draw around the area you want to make a copy. Click on Copy. Click on Paste. You got another copy of the flower. Let's draw the ground in green color. Play with different brushes and make your drawing beautiful. This is the finished drawing. Thanks for watching.